say you finished the food. Hello. Subscribe to her channel. It's Thanksgiving. We are doing Thanksgiving. Yes, we are. Subscribe. Damn, this thing is huge. She gonna put on. Go fly away, fly away, fly away. I have zero chill, guys. Oh, let me prepare this turkey. See you guys later. Material 100 years. Are they sell out? On material. Who won't buy? Who won't? Yes, it's another Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving for me, it's all about the food because I'm a big time foodie. Yes, you know I love food, so I can't lie about that. But Thanksgiving is a national holiday celebrated on various dates in the United States, Canada, Brazil, Grenada, St. Lucia, Liberia. It began as a day of giving thanks and sacrifice for the blessings of the harvest and the proceeds for the year. Thanksgiving for me simply means family, love, care, support, spending time with each other, and praying for support. It's Thanksgiving! Check out the boy. Check out the boy glow. Check out the boy glow. Getting ready to go to his grandma's house. Husband material, 100 yards. Are they sell out? Husband material. Who won't buy? Who won't buy? 1,000 yards. Buy one. Get one free. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. So we're about to go to grandma's house to go get some food. See you when we get there. Your boy, your MCM, they carry pot. Your MC, ain't gonna use the head. Why you put the pot for ground? Your boy got the drip. Your boy got the drip. Your boy. Hey. Hey, daddy, wifey. Hello, hi. How you doing? Yeah. Thank you. I thought you said you finished the food. Pumpkin pie. Thanksgiving was a hit. That's grandpa. That's my dad over there. Looks like me, right? I know. It's my brother.
Wait, how are you doing this?
YouTube.
Oh, this is YouTube live. You are YouTubing and live.
Yep.
So, she will edit all our faces.
Yep. They think suffering. Thanksgiving and living. Happy Thanksgiving. Hey guys, see them. He's hiding his face. He doesn't want to be on my YouTube channel.
These people are serious.
She's running away. She's doing sekpe figure 8. Sekpe figure 8. Your husband has 3,021k views. You didn't see it? Let me show you. I just saw it and I said, you have 21k views. Where?
I didn't know.
He only needs like 300 views and they'll start paying him. Yeah. Yes, I just showed him now. 179. He needs 1,000 subscribers. He didn't know. We just set it up now. So the Okafos, see the Okafos, they don't want to be on my channel and it's Thanksgiving. They gotta be in this video. See, I don't know what it's talking about. What are you? And that is the real you will let this. What it is all you want to say? Your father. They will catch you. See what is that? They have entered trouble. They're busy saying your father, your daddy. Auto.
Don't carry a load. I don't ready to come there this night.
Same place when I think say no go be. Sorry. The place even
Go open the meat pie takeaway.
Meat pie takeaway where?
I said you go open the meat pie takeaway for your house.
Me, my own is already in my car. That's for Eliseo, Cool, and Stella. Fabian, please go Mosquito. South Florida Mosquito.
Why are you taking pictures? Huh?
Hey!
You're serious?
I think they changed you in the hospital. Let's go back. They changed you.
What did he do? Okay. See your meat here.
That's not one of my attitudes.
Wait, are you videotaping? Are you videotaping it? Really?
The plantain is boring.
Come here, mom. They don't sell for Niger. Yeah, somebody will call you.
I saw you eating. I saw you eating one big
Can we
turkey.
warm this tea, right?
Yeah, it's cold, right?
Maybe it's 12 o'clock. Alright.
Can we warm this up?
Chidi, which type of banana bread is this?
The type from last Thanksgiving that was so delicious.
What did they sweet too much? Make another one to add with it.
Let me
Put for back.
this one is full.
So who cooks this
What do
pepper
you want?
soup?
You want from me?
Fabian.
No, it's too spicy.
Fabian is a good cook now.
Is it you or is it your mom?
Fabian's mom don't know how to cook. If she cook, it's salt.
You or your mom?
The pepper soup.
She cooks. She puts so much stuff to have to.
Told you.
This is for mashed potato. That's for mashed potato. Oh, where are the plates I got? Okay.
For her in the plate now.
It's okay.
You're not gonna
When I
eat
finish
some.
it, I'll feed them.
Oh, okay. You're gonna eat, right?
Yeah?
Just to wash your hands.
What do you want?
You're not hungry. Let me finish. Let me answer my meal.
I know.
Maybe I should cover the...
What are you doing there?
You want to sit on the table? Should I bring your food there? Your food. I know when I said I was at the gate, you're like, yeah, right. At the gate.
No, I was just like, no, look at this. I'm too hungry.
Oh.
Shenanigans.
I want to move the thing.
The soup.
Okay, the same thing. You get so hungry and then you want right? So full. Mashed potato? I think we're going to see the chop then.
She likes mashed potatoes.
She will chop. And I put that by the time I put it to her.
This is pepper dish out.
That's the thing.
One plantain?
This spice was. You have to eat right. No, that's one. Broccoli.
Crispy.
Yeah, leave it. What?
Yeah. Yep. I'll be kid that likes vegetables.
That's a good one. Good job. You have to eat something.
I'm bringing food for you.
No guys, eat
No,
food.
no broccoli, no beans.
Oh, no beans?
Oh no, my daughter.
Right, what does beans do to him?
I don't know what sugar is coming around.
Maybe someone force fed him beans. What beans?
No, she's eating beans now. Oh, she started eating yam.
Oh, you say it's in yam?
You have to mash it. Who is eating yam? Hey, waiting is food. No, look, there's
Here, baby, here.
No, it's right there.
Sit down so you don't fall. Sit down.
I smell good. Really? they buy goat meat? Where you see all this goat meat now?
167 and Northeast 6th Avenue. You know that place that they have Toys R Us back in the days?
Toys R Us.
Yeah, in North Miami.
What is it called? Oh, Horace. Yes. Yeah. They have good goat meat. No, line? No, well, I don't go when people, no.
And people are still at work.
Okay.
Yeah, that's when I go.
Saturdays. Too many people.
Okay, Alex.
Put a drink for you. How about the wine? Well,
Talking to?
So this girl.
Why are you running away? Come back here. Who were you talking to on the phone? Give me your phone. Let me see your hands.
My application,
That's none of my business. Wow.
You didn't what?
He said that's none of my business. So you went to the bathroom.
To do none of my business. No respect.
Phone calls. Who are you talking to?
that's it.
Shaniqua?
She who? We don't know Shaniqua. Remaining of the Kayla. I'm not the only one that picks on Fabian. We practically pick. Baby, let's pick up these toys, please. I love all the kids. See my life. He's going to be fine. He thinks. I don't know. He's not answering me. See, Christy is busy getting ready. According to Nigerian people. Christy, you getting ready? Take Uber. Let me help you with your shoes. Come, let me help you with your shoes. You got. Let's take it off first of all. Hey guys, see them. He's hiding his face. He doesn't want to be on my YouTube channel.
These two people are serious.
She's running away. She's doing sekpe figure 8. Sekpe figure 8. Your husband has 21K views. You didn't see it? Let me show you. I just saw it and I said, you have 21K views.
I didn't know.
He only needs like 300 views and they'll start paying him. Yeah. Yes, I just showed him now. 179. He needs 1,000 subscribers. He didn't know. We just set it up now. So the Okafos, see the Okafos, they don't want to be on my channel, and it's Thanksgiving. They gotta be in this video. See, I don't know what it's talking about. They pay you. Grandma. See why Fabian like the food?
Was your channel site generating traffic? You use your channel to do commercials.
Yeah, I know about that. But I'm saying, like, how much is it? And you still don't want to be on my YouTube channel. Story of my life. You going on YouTube, bro?
You're about to get that your YouTube page hacked.
You are about to lose your job. Fabian got the food. That's why Fabian came to Grandma's house. Fabian got the food. Fabian is hiding his stash. He's stuck. He's stacking them in Grandma's house. Fabian, oh, Fabian. They don't want to leave Grandma's house. They're busy crying. Let me cry too. You two, you going to cry?
No, Alex.
Fabian, you two, you going to cry?
No.
Alex said no.
Nope.